Hi, law aspirants. CAT 2025 was not a very good endeavor for a lot of you. The exam is still awaiting the final results. So, a lot of you are banking on the MHCET 5-year LLB exam. Now, there could be certain reasons when you cannot go out and join coachings. So, it's a quick guide on how you can prepare for the exam. Ghar baithe baithe. Alright, in this video, we will cover all the resources, the syllabus, and the timetable, the in-depth detailed timetable till the date of your exam, which is 28th of April. Alright, now let us start with syllabus and resources, right? Everything that you need to know for legal aptitude, okay? These are the top topics, syllabus topics for legal reasoning, and you can practice them from these books. Alright, so kindly get your hands on these books and these will be more than enough. Even if you can get one of these, that will be more than enough and would be a great practice for legal reasoning. Right? For GK and current affairs. Now, current affairs, you need to focus on past 1 year current affairs. And for GK, which is static GK, these are the most important topics. And you can practice static GK and learn more about static GK through Lucents or Universal. Okay, they are great resources and have been used by the CLAD aspirants and other law exam aspirants for many years. Now, LR के लिए ये रहे सारे टॉपिक्स, ठीक है? वर्बल एंड नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग, नॉन वर्बल रीजनिंग भी आता है इस एग्जाम में. सो ऑड वन आउट, ब्लड रिलेशन, एनालॉजीज, कोडिंग, ठीक है, circular arrangement. These are some new topics. These are alien topics. You might have never done these before. So how should you practice these? How should you learn these? You can learn it from one of these books, okay? If you can get hands on one of these books and practice a good number of questions, you're all sorted for the exam. For English, for your language, okay, these are the topics. It focuses more on vocabulary. So vocabulary, idioms and phrases, spotting the error, which will test your grammar. Okay, 1 or 2 RCs will be asked. And sentence improvement and rearrangement. Again, focuses on grammar. How must I practice this? Through these. I mean, obviously, do not forget your Bible for expanding your vocabulary, Norman Lewis. But for other question practice, which is sentence improvement, vocabulary, or RCs, you can use these books. Last, everything you need to know about quant. Here's the syllabus, profit and loss, time and work, problem on ages, Venn diagram, speed and distance. Okay, certain 10th grade वाले topics हैं almost सारे. But बहुत टाइम हो गया है तब से हमने 10th का मैथ्स किया है, तो फटाफट रिवाइज करने के लिए या फिर कॉन्सेप्ट को स्ट्रेटेजिकली अप्रोच करने के लिए यू कैन यूज one of these 2 books. Alright, I think this was more than enough on the resources and the topics you need to cover for each section. Now let us get into the in-depth, detailed timetable till the date of our exam. Alright, I have started from 10th February and ended my timetable on 27th of April. Okay, now as you can see, they are 1 week में आपको क्या-क्या खत्म करना है. Alright, this is the first week. Okay, everything you need to finish in legal reasoning, in verbal, in logical reasoning, in GK and in quant. Now what will this will help you not get burned out. Okay, instead of condensing all the topics in the same day, try to distribute them and do every section every single day, right? So this is a perfect timetable. Okay, I'm moving out of the frame so you can take a good screenshot and use it. All right, as you can see in the last here, this is all your weekend plan. Okay, on the weekend you can give first एक mock test और एक sectional test दे दो. Mock test देना जरूरी है ताकि तुम्हें समझ आए कि level of difficulty क्या है, right? Then give sectional test. One day legal sectional, other day quant sectional, other day maybe verbal sectional. Okay, give sectionals because sectional test will directly improve your mock scores. All right, and this is everything else that you will be done till 2nd of March. All the topics. Next, from 3rd March to 30th March, here is your timetable. Quickly take a screenshot. Alright, everything you need to prepare for legal, for verbal, for logical, for GK and for quant. Here it is. You will not be missing any topic. Do not worry about that. And neither will you be missing on mock practices. right? I have targeted for at least 10 mocks. Okay, kindly finish 10 mocks before your exam. All right, these are the dates of your exam. Okay, you will finish your mock on 29th, but analyze it on the 30th. Finish your fifth mock on the 22nd and analyze it on the 23rd of March. Okay, might seem overwhelming, right? But all the gap year students, you have no excuses. And all the people who are preparing for board, you can probably cut the number in half. So instead of 10, maybe you can, solve 5 mocks because you've already solved a lot of number of mocks for CLAT or other law exams. So you can therefore cut the a number of mocks in half. Okay, now this is the entire plan from 31st of March to 27th of April. That is one day before your exam. Quickly take a screenshot. All right, as you can see, we have also given you the time slot to quickly revise the topics also. I mean, it's overwhelming, and to avoid them becoming a whole khichdi in your mind, a quick revision is also required. And in the last date of your exam, we will be done with 10 entire mocks with proper analysis and good number of sectional tests. So, this is a perfect timetable to ace the exam ghar baithe baithe. But sometimes when mock scores get stagnant, okay, sometimes when, despite solving multiple questions, the scores do not increase or you do not understand a topic, in those dire times, you need assistance. Okay, on those dire times, you do require assistance. But again, cannot afford to get out of the house. So, I have a crash course, okay? Crash course, a completely online, or we even do offline for everybody who is from Pune. But if you are, if you cannot leave the house, you can attend the lecture from anywhere. Okay, these are all the services that you will be provided with, and you have access to some of the best faculty, including me. Okay, at a very low price. Forget that. Okay, even if you do not want this and just only want uh, this resources to practice more. Okay, here you go. You get access to our portal. Now, the portal will include a lot of sectional tests. As you could see in the timetable, I have a lot of sectional tests given. But करें कहाँ से? You can use our portal to access the sectional tests along with mocks, GK sessions. Okay, all the GK sessions will be recorded and you can watch those. And you also get test taking strategy workshops, which is a must. Okay, that is what separates alpha students from beta students. So kindly call us in this number. Right, that was it. A very short, quick video on how to ace the 5-year LLB exam. Ghar baithe baithe. All right, kindly like the video, share it, subscribe to our channel if you like the video, and comment. Comment on what type of videos you want. We'll try to make them available as soon as possible. All right, thank you so much for watching.